Hello, I'm going to show you my Ramune. I just got this today in Oklahoma at Pops in Arcadia, and I have always wanted to try opening one of these. It's a Japanese soda, and it's really cool because you have this marble. See, there's like a marble right there in the top of the bottle, and it comes with this little plunger. I'm sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. It comes with this little plunger. See, like that. And what you do is you push. You push the plunger. It's going to explode. Okay, you try to push the plunger. You need some leverage. Apparently this isn't the best way to do this. I thought I felt it. You push the plunger. Okay, this is not easy to open. It takes a lot of pressure. Oops, and I lost the plunger. That's great. It's super impressive. Okay, got the plunger on there, and I'm going to use my other hand. And it makes an incredible it smells really good, and you can see the marble right there and all of the little bubbles, and this is the original flavor of Ramune. And what's really funny about this bottle is it has all of these disclaimers, which you probably can't read. The first one is, ask an adult to open the bottle for you. I didn't ask an adult, so I already broke the first rule. Do not disassemble the plastic mouthpiece from the bottle. I guess that's so you don't choke on the marble. Do not remove the marble from the bottle. To avoid injury, do not place the cap, opener, or marble in your mouth, and do not place any body parts into the bottle. Do not store this product in the freezer or exposed to high temperatures. Do not consume if the glass ball is broken or descended prior to opening. Seems like some common sense. So I'm going to taste it. Okay, it tastes just like 7-Up or Sprite, except it's a little bit lighter, and it's made with real sugar instead of corn syrup. So here is my Ramune review. Thank you.